7, 6, 7.
Fibbage 3.
Kill.
We have all night.
Welcome to Fibbage.
I suppose you're right, unless you guys go to sleep early, like last time.
I'm trying to stay up
if
right now.
anybody else wants to join, they can get in the audience at any time.
I'm low-key
The
snoozing.
audience gets to throw extra lies into the mix and guess the truth along with players. Let's play. All right, choose a category.
McNuggets? Lap dances? Lap dances?
Pick one, dude.
Fucking
Okay, here's your
McNuggets.
first question. McDonald's McNuggets officially come in 4 shapes: bone, ball, bell, blank.
What?
Now, enter a bluff on your device that sounds real enough to fool the other players. If you can't come up with something, use the Lie For Me button and get a suggestion for half the points. Do it. Right, now find the truth.
My
Get on your
God.
device. Okay, what did everyone pick?
Oh, what the fuck?
I knew it. I tried to
Yes,
flip
let's go.
Google at first because I knew that was the truth.
So
15 different
confused.
Let's go, where's
solutions
she?
coming out of
Dude, oh!
person accounted the economy inside a federal prison. His most surprising revelation was that instead of cigarettes, most inmates used blank.
Dud.
I don't fucking
All
know.
right, pick the truth.
Black people?
Black people!
My God,
Dude,
All right.
no one's falling for that. Oh.
Fuck. It just makes sense. Grass boy.
Of course it was yours.
Dude, I'm so
How the fuck
smart.
do you know that?
The fish have.
Dude, I watched prison documentaries. You ain't know.
Making them
I'm so
I knew-
smart, dude.
I knew Grass was gonna pick
I
black
am
people.
miles ahead of
No,
you
you
guys.
didn't. No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
is
Fuck
a term
me.
for describing the space between blank. Enter your lies now. Okay, take a look and find the truth.
Yes. A priest and a small child.
Eyebrows?
I think this is the truth.
Nope.
You only got 250 though.
What?
The fuck? What is it?
Believe it or
Don't tell me
not,
it's eyebrows. Oh my God.
Oh, don't tell me it was a priest and a small child.
Dude, I'm getting so many points.
Dude, I'm a fucking dumbass.
Ted Taylor of Nevada became the first person to light a cigarette with blank. Okay, enter your lies. Okay, here you go. Find the
Nuclear
truth.
bomb.
I have a feeling it's that.
I have a feeling it's.
No, dude.
I'm gonna try this one because it's just too random.
I have a feeling there's more shoes.
All right, let's see what everybody picked.
What?
I gotta help you out somehow, dude.
Gas!
I hate it. I hate
Gas!
this game.
Gas!
this
Oh my god, wait.
Declined.
Am I tied with Horseshoe now?
Black
Already?
face.
Think so now. No.
What?
Oh, never mind.
Holy
It
shit.
said 500 for each, dude. Not 1,000.
Celebrity tweet. In October 2015, Larry King tweeted, "Somehow, somewhere, there's got to be a blank." Okay, look for the truth and pick
Oh, that tastes like ass.
This one's too nonchalant. I'll pick this one.
It sounds like the most reasonable one. Well,
What? Ban.
What?
That
Yes!
doesn't make no sense.
Yes!
Finally,
Yes!
bringing up what really matters.
I'm like Luther.
And the question is, you won't learn this on a kids program. In 2007,
I just tried to destroy his wiener.
His estranged
said
wife
wiener.
after she tried to destroy his
Whoa,
blank.
hurt, brother.
All right.
Holy shit.
Okay, seek the truth.
Cock.
Globe Cock Garden Modal Train Set.
I think it's the one on the top right.
No, I'm gonna go for this one.
Let's be real.
All right, let's see what you guys picked.
Oh god!
Oh, he's fucking dumbass.
God damn it.
Is it cock?
First effort. Weird.
Big J, shut up.
Chemistry with
Sorry.
No worries.
Why did you say it like that, dude?
tropical disease known as anhum. That's where your body
Anal.
decides to
He said
spontaneously
anal.
blank your blank. Enter your lies now. Okay, find the truth.
Lick your elbow. Melt your brain. Kill your brain.
Oh, this one's a hard one.
That's what she said.
Fuck.
Oh my god, yes. Yes. Oh my god.
Please, 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 please. What?
Fuck. I think I just lost. No.
I think I lost as well, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh man.
Oh! I pulled through at the end.
Oh my god, I was so close. You dumb?
That's a cool code.
Excuse me.
That's a cool burp.
Loud fuck.
Wait, is this the one that like with the sticky notes or something?
I think so. Yeah.
Hello. Oh, but hey, look.
Gene?
My friend
Gene.
is online.
Jade.
Dude, hell yeah.
You're gonna love
Gene.
it. There's actually room on the
Gene.
internet for everybody. So
Gene.
feel free to join
Gene.
the audience and vote.
Hey Bob.
Hold on to your butts.
Hey, Bob.
Here we go. Hi, I'm your host Todd, and
Hi,
guess
Todd.
what rhymes with bod.
Go ahead and answer it.
What?
Those responses will then be sent to another player. The objective is to twist these words in the most ridiculous way possible. So if my friend Paul said selfie sticks are, quote, super dumb,
Paul.
then I would take him out of context. Say we're on a news site. Then to the game.
I thought it was like the one where you make invention. That's
Okay,
what.
that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and...
So you should be seeing a prompt on your controller. There are no wrong answers, so just answer honestly.
Y'all slow as shit, dude.
It's fucking Grass Boy.
Shut up, dude. Alpha Wolf. I don't think any movie said that. What movie said that?
Oh,
Fellas.
No way. No way he picked that too. No fucking way. What?
Oh no! Oh no!
I don't get it. What the fuck?
God.
Results.
God damn it!
This is who burned you. No,
That's a crazy
I
statement.
gotta give Gene some points, dude.
pity where everyone stands at the moment.
Oh my
How
god.
is Virgil already
What
winning?
the fuck?
This is bullshit.
I am a pro.
Ready or not, here we go.
What?
Gotta you. Be it.
No.
The guy. Yeah, the guy.
What?
Ah, dude!
What? That's nah.
Really makes me laugh.
Chocolate
Fuck, dude.
P. Diddy would say,
What?
or die.
P Diddy?
P Diddy.
What the fuck?
Guy.
God, fuck off, dude. It asked me who was the last person I had a crush on.
I'm telling so.
I'm so good at this.
Let's see what that round did to things. Let's keep this
I
party
can't tell if that was
moving.
like the game
Go
or
to,
Morshu.
It's Morshu.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, you knuckleheads. Here we go.
The fuck? My god. How are you feeling today? I love chocolate.
Love chocolate.
What?
That had to be the AI.
Yeah. Jerk ass friends.
I feel like he's me.
Points.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Autistic baby.
Let's go.
Dude, I'm winning. I always win. I always win. Thank you, Triple T.
Let's check
No way,
shall we?
dude. I am so good
No
at
way.
this.
No way fucking Gene.
How do I only have one aim?
Losing the
Holy
gene
shit.
right now.
Blast.
Okay, it's the last round.
So okay. Okay. What? Just hands. Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm such a fat fucking chud.
Everybody voted.
That was Gene? That was Gene?
How?
Gene always comes with the bangers. I'm still winning though,
It all
by a
comes down
long
to
shot.
this.
I'm pretty sure.
Oh, almost,
Yeah.
almost. Oh,
Damn.
oh.
Guys, we got 420.
I'm almost there. No, I'm.
Indubitably.
Well, here goes nothing.
Indubitably. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? That's not what I got
That
at
has
all.
to be the AI. That has to be the AI.
Oh.
So the arts just
You
gets
got the vote.
canceled.
Yes! God damn.
Here's the order of who I think is cool from top to bottom.
I guess I'm stepping up my game this
I
round.
don't care.
It's good.
Great. Now let's go to
Come on, we're giving you. Oh.
anyone else's heart racing right now?
Damn. Nice.
Oh.
What in the sky beam?
Big J.
Oh. Okay, that's not what I saw when I typed that. Oh. Oh.
Okay, I know who that one is.
Yeah, me too.
Here are your candidates. Now,
Dude, nothing? Really? Grassboy, fuck you.
What the fuck did I do?
how
oh,
will
wait.
that shuffle
So-
the board? Let's find out.
I gooned and won once.
Okay,
I don't even know what to put to that.
that's not what I.
I know that.
Switch things up and let's just-
Did you not put I gooned and won once?
Oh my god, it's the guy.
Was it Mr. Washi Washi?
Yeah.
Another prompt is headed your way. Get to it.
Can you move Mr. Washi Washi, please? Pineapple pizza.
Here Here we go again.
Oh my god. My god, dude.
That's going
Jeez, dude. God. Okay. No!
God. Oh my god!
What is that match? No!
Horseshoe! Horseshoe! Grassboy, why would you say that?
Grass
dog.
boy.
I fucking hate
Fucking
this
horn
game.
dog.
I fucking hate this game.
Scoreboard time.
Oh. Horseshoe, that's so real. I fuck with that.
We only have
I'll eat it.
one more, so let's end it at a photo sharing segment.
Oh, the photo sharing.
Yes.
Double this round.
I honestly want to play this one more time.
Yeah, same here, same here.
Here is
Yeah.
your last prompt.
This is the best one.
Okay, hold on.
I'll eat it.
That was so stupid. Slime bug. Oh god. What?
Eh.
That's probably the AI.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh, no.
Oh.
It's voting time.
Oh.
Let's see how everybody voted.
Yes.
Good job, guys. Boy, that was actually
Finally.
funny. That was actually funny.
Oh my god.
It's the moment of truth.
That's a good Friday Night Funkin' song. Okay. Okay. Fuck. It's the same thing.
It always seems to spot. She did it just right.
And here are the results.
Fuck
What?
died
Here's
asshole.
your
I didn't know what the point was. I just repeated it.
this
Ah.
half-wit.
Damn it.
Who should I be the most proud of?
Me?
Let's find out.
What? You right? Who
Oh.
Ew! Oh my fucking
Who wrote that one?
god! Ew!
If you don't make it the first one, I kill you. Really, Minecraft, let's play. You spelled video wrong, whoever did that.
2 girls, 1 cup.
Girls don't need rights. Magic tricks come. The
What?
Like,
No, that. Nah. Nah.
Vote for the comment you think looks the most absurd.
Dude, that's so fucking gross, dude. Oh my god, that's so fucking gross.
Let's see who got the points.
Who wrote that one?
Grass boy?
Grace.
Holy shit, Grass boy.
Dude.
I didn't
That's
know what
fucking
else
amazing.
to put.
Let's see how this pans out.
Only in Ohio. What? Did bro get turned on by the Statue of Liberty? Oh, that makes sense actually. Uh-oh. Okay. Look, bear.
beer.
Sticker afterwards.
Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my god. I hate you.
My dude didn't do right.
Damn.
Oh,
No.
god damn it.
He didn't do this.
Bruh.
Ow. Okay.
Oh my god.
That's bad.
Oh my
That
god.
is so. That's like Diddy level.
Horseshoe.
That's Diddy level.
Horseshoe. God damn horseshoe.
As fuck.
Here's what people think.
Dude.
DJ
Like,
and
you know
shit
it's
like
good.
that.
He's like, you know it's good.
Family,
Do not put it in your ass. Ow.
buddy. Down to this.
Oh, I'm so close.
That's what she said.
Do we do another one?
Yes.
Yes,
Well
dude. This
done.
is so fun.
My god. Hookers.
That was the Crocs, by the way. That was my prompt. Was Crocs. Oh.
R-rated movies.
You mean the cock chair? The cock chair.
I don't know, dude. Oh my god.
Oh. Damn.
Which
I like that one. No, that was funny.
Oh, now
I'm starting to warm up to Gene.
I'm not gonna lie, I kind of fuck with Gene.
he burned you.
Yes, dude. Gene liked mine. Good shit,
Where
horseshoe.
everyone stands at the moment.
What the
Dude,
fuck?
I'm pro.
Mr. Obama, I done it. I stopped racism. Hooker lover. Don't you fucking Trump. No way! Wait.
Oh my fucking brick. Oh my god! Oh my god, no fucking way!
Voldemort.
No fucking way!
BJ, don't tell me that was you that put Donald J. fucking Trump. Mr. Beast.
Oh my fucking god, dude.
Oh my god, Big J.
Oh, that's a big video.
Let's use that round to defense.
We're on like a crazy like neurological level right now.
My god. It's because we're sleep deprived.
Let's switch things up.
I love chocolate.
What was that?
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Turned off.
Turned on. Travis? Oh.
Dude, get fucking brick out of here.
Okay, here are the verdicts. Let's check the scoreboard.
It's my next
Oh
one.
my, that one's winning, that one's winning. That one's winning.
Okay, so that's Grass Boy.
I couldn't think of anything. What? Why is it the same
Oh,
thing?
what the fuck?
What?
That's probably Gene.
Yeah, that was Gene.
Fuck Gene.
What would she say?
Okay, of course. Yeah, that's more shoe. That's more shoe.
Yeah, I won. I'm funny now.
It's down to this.
Fuck, dude.
Holy shit. What's the
My
thing we
first
do?
loss.
Well, here goes nothing.
I think. Oh. My name is Ander Dingus.
Survivor's cancer.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
When people touch me.
Oh.
That's a valid point.
Hold on. Vote for them. Let's see who got the votes. Here's the twisted words.
My name is Andy Dingus.
Some points for them.
Gene?
Sammy.
Okay, let's move on.
Dickhead. Oh my god.
By the way, my prompt was a really good compliment to get.
Oh, fair word.
My prompt was, what do you think about Johnny Depp? Don't waiting.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Candidates.
Let's go.
I have cancer, please help.
How will that shuffle the leaderboard? Let's find out.
Dude, Gene, damn.
He needs to calm down.
Really not doing good this
Let's
time.
keep this party train moving.
Man's name is Zhao Ling. Zhao Ling has to recover a company for his
Poopy poop.
Fucking love that shit. Uh-oh. They're black.
What kind of prompt did you get?
What?
I scream like a little girl. Yes!
How did that
Yes!
Oh, fuck you,
Damn.
Gene.
Oh, that's a good looking gyro.
Dude, I made them one time. They're actually so fucking good.
Dude, I make gyros at work. I used to make gyros at work all the time.
Awesome. My office for the day.
Nah.
That was boring.
Boring.
Oh my god. Wait, oh my god. Oh my god, I found something awesome. Ignore this.
Dude!
Please do that.
It's voting time.
They're a girl with furred ears.
Drum roll.
I always clutch in the end.
I thought mine was really funny.
Oh, I know what that means. What is this one?
You might have ruined some relationships along the
Oh,
way,
Uber.
but you did it. Congrats.
Do we want to do it one more time or pick something else?
I'm fine for whatever.
It's in here. What? Oh boy, oh.
That's for a showerhead review, by the way.
Uh-huh.
He's like, shit.
What is that?
Denim shorts.
Denim shorts.
It's very
Oh
big.
no, Gene.
Huh.
Which of these made you laugh the hardest? Vote now. People think.
It's Spencer's, by the way, if you couldn't tell.
Gene.
Dude, Gene on a roll.
Some pity points.
Denim shorts. Oh,
Who should I be the most proud of? Let's find out.
what is this?
Dude, what?
How about losing?
Oh my god.
My God. Look at this. It's just, it was good.
Oh. Oh.
Let's play.
Oh wait, I wasn't even paying attention to what I voted for. I was about to vote for Jeans. He's here. Mine was opinion on opinion on toilet paper. Oh.
It has everything.
Votes.
Damn.
Let's go.
Oof.
Epstein.
What? Wait, what did that say?
Or shall we?
No.
Grass boy, it's 1 or 2. Pick one.
Fellow rage.
Fellow reads. I love that
Time
drink.
to take the
Huh?
What? I feel comfy.
I love my life. Oh.
I can't see
Come on.
That's what Gene has to say.
Some lame shit. Yeah.
Jumping.
It's fucking stupid.
What?
Huh?
Thank you, Wishu. Gosh, she's so
red.
It all comes down to this.
Yay! Where'd you? Yeah.
We have a champion. Now
That
enjoy your
was
special
good.
prize.
I'm gonna miss Gene. He's a funny guy.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
As we whittle down
Yeah.
to our
Maybe.
Yima Grammy.
My granito, don't tell you. Ba ba ba.
Sending the topic of
Bubble.
is now
Whoa!
Whoa.
impressive.
We're so locked. Vote. I was such a bad bitch.
Let's dive into our first bracket.
Oh.
More of your
Place to vote on which you think deserves. They left it all out on the field.
6-7. 6-7.
6-7.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Thomas.
Dude.
Well, a win is a win.
6-7. Ball. Nope. Okay. It didn't even let me vote.
See him or New Orleans.
Dominating win.
Ball.
I missed 6-7.
I missed the old Kanye.
Folks, I've been waiting for this matchup my entire career.
Dude.
Ran away with that one.
The original.
These two answers dominated the first round, but what happens when they meet each other?
He's not winning.
nudity.
Nudity.
Wins.
We have our first winner.
Yay.
Mine was museum.
Time for the blind bracket. We start with just
Oh,
a
no.
category. Name any food item. Go ahead and write the first thing that comes to mind. We'll see the real bracket title after the answers are all in. Time to get in those predictions.
Okay.
Tall testicles.
Dude, just vote for one.
I'm not surprised, dude.
6, 7.
Bull testicles.
Let me think. 6, 7.
Moving on to our next matchup. I'm seeing some early traction here.
Dude, just vote for one.
Margaret Thatcher.
That was ugly.
Was that yours?
Yeah.
Talk about a rivalry. These two competitors have been at each other's necks all week.
My God.
An upset. Bye.
Watermelon, yay! I love watermelon.
I had a feeling it was you, Grass.
I didn't. What?
It's
I
time
did
to
watermelon.
round out the bracket.
Pussy?
Oh my god.
Ooh la la.
Pussy wins any day.
Hell yeah, it does, brother.
Fuck yeah.
Before
Oh. What a line.
Picture, hurry up.
questions are in. Let's jump back to our bracket for round 2. This is a big one.
Oh god,
Bull
dude. This is
testicles
hard.
I
again.
don't know.
Remember
Good
put-
emoji. What an upset. No one saw this one coming. The finals are just a win away from these next 2 answers.
watermelon versus pussy.
Watermelon versus pussy.
God, it's a hard one.
No contest.
The one that won has more juice in it.
You're not wrong.
Tasty.
You're not wrong.
And now the
It makes me
final
feel more
face-off.
fulfilled.
What is the sexiest emoji to text your secret crush?
Oh, dude.
Pack it up, bull testicles. Pack it up.
Back it up, bull testicles.
This was a
Damn it. Dude, I did bull testicles and Margot Thatcher.
You're kidding.
time's running out.
I'm trying to think of another one, dude.
Bob Belcher.
Claptrap or something, I don't know.
Bob Belcher.
Gladius.
Let's see
Why are you thinking of robots only?
the video game character you'd most want to live as for one day. Time to get in those predictions.
Uh-oh. Oh, fuck me.
All cash is doubled this round. Up first.
Claptrap. No.
Oh, it doesn't get more contentious than this.
I know who's winning this one.
I want to rub my fat pussy.
It's meatball night at Lisa's place.
Versus.
Next up,
What the fuck is Glass
It's a
Joe?
bracket like this that truly makes this game the sport of kings.
Picking Glass Joe is his name.
Well, go ahead and kiss
Oh, it didn't.
because it's a tie.
It didn't let me vote in
Your
time.
answer by tapping on your device as fast as you can.
Morshi's gonna win this one. He has that fuck ass auto clicker.
I don't even have the auto clicker on right now, dude.
The tie is broken. I'm going to miss the
Look,
tie
see?
times. Why don't we see what's going on the other side of the bracket?
What? That's a crazy lineup.
Squeaker.
Fuck, dude. Diane Foxington was such a good pick.
What? Where's Shu?
Diane Foxington was such a good pick.
Round two. Early favorite emerges.
No, versus
Dude,
Glass
that's such a
Joe.
crazy.
Rise of the Titans.
6-7. 6-7.
6-7.
6-7.
This could be the answer to beat, but let's check out the competition.
Damn it.
That could have gone either way.
I'm so upset.
I'm sorry,
Stephen
you can't beat Charlie from Smiling Friends.
One more
Man,
change.
I wanted Stephen Hawking.
Which video game character probably enjoys?
Oh, this is easy.
Dude,
This is
kidding me?
easy.
And now
kidding
the
me?
definitive matchup.
This is easy.
Why is this even a question?
Really?
The scales are beginning to tip.
You'd rather have watched Charlie from Smiling Friends have sex?
This player is unstoppable.
No, Charlie would enjoy it more because Battle is a fucking slut.
Oh my god.
Time to dive into our
What I love guys.
Oh my god.
teammates. Will these two answers be-
Oh my god.
Fuck is Mallow?
That wasn't even close.
That's the wolf thing. That furry thing from the neighborhood. Bro, just pick one.
Uno más, uno más.
Let's see what
Gallery
tensions are
action.
mounting over
That's a
the
crazy lineup. Morshu movie.
East. Is one for the
Morshu home. That one just makes sense.
Her hell.
regular
I mean, yeah.
More shoe home. Dude, I can't.
round out the bracket with this.
He called me anal. He called me anal.
Oh.
The anus.
Oh goodness, dude.
Oh, easy win.
Hell nah. 6-7.
I knew it.
Grass boy.
What?
Dude, you really thought Epstein's Island?
The winner moves on to the final, but let's
No.
find out what they'll face off against.
Oh man, I don't know for this one.
It's scary.
The anus.
The lead keeps changing hands.
Morshu home. Morshu home.
Talk about an underdog tale. This final matchup will determine the most likely
Was that fucking Dewey?
to hell.
Yeah. That same exact tape which was found on Bin Laden's fucking. We see it. Dude, I have to go with Mallow.
our first winner.
Wistful sad. I like wistful. It sounds way better. Wistful
my
sounds
goodness.
so much better, dude.
Next up,
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
changed some harsh words at the press conference.
Fuck it, dude.
Hot and bothered. Shit.
You're on fire.
Fire! Fire!
That's the name of an emoji, hot bothered.
What?
See what's happening over on the other side of the bracket.
Pregnant
Oh
man? Stop sign.
Pregnant man.
Male preg's crazy.
6-7.
6'8".
Contenders.
Horn dog hungry? I gotta go with hungry,
Hungry.
dude. It's classic. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
friend.
Funny.
It's weird that this is my job.
Oh.
They eked out a victory. Looks like
Fuck.
everyone got this one.
I thought it was a good one.
One more match to determine our finals.
Pregnant man and hung.
This is why we do this, folks.
Pregnant man wins any day.
Decisive victory.
Oh my god.
Some players just came up empty.
angle, you know, at the start of every Minecraft Let's Play, they go,
And now we finally decide what is the best emotion for your brain surgeon to have.
Lyle, they hit the Pentagon. Lyle, they hit the Pentagon.
Winner.
Dude. I'm getting better at these.
Let's take another peek at the scoreboard.
Pregnant man for the win.
Charlie Kirk fan art.
That's that good better.
Oh.
That's bad.
My
Shake and bake.
Shake and bake, baby.
Next up,
Oh my fucking god. Oh my fucking god, dude. Oh my fucking god.
empty void of your
That's an
existence for a while.
insane thing to have on here. That is... My god.
Dude, who was that?
Probably Big J's. It's fucking mallow,
what
dude.
is-
Oh my god.
Slight shape.
Holy shit.
That has more dangerous swings than an abandoned playground. No one could have
And
predicted
it's
this
still
one.
6-7.
Dude. Should have been Mellow's nipple. But...
Out the bracket with
Just hamster her cock. Hamster.
sizzle, boom.
Can't believe fucking hamster won.
How did that
I'm gonna pull this off to the side.
For a title change. Item you'd most quickly suspect is an important clue in an escape room puzzle. In now.
Oh no.
Oh.
The predictions are in. Let's jump back to our bracket for round 2.
My sad, pitiful dick is such a crazy fucking pull, dude. Oh my god.
butt plug.
Fuck.
Death dies in Little Women, yes!
What?
What?
What did he say? By the way, my sad, pitiful dick was mine.
One match away from
Ah, okay. That explains it.
Yeah.
Dude, hamster has to win. Hamster has to win.
A very oddly shaped wiener, very oddly shaped dildo is also mine.
Hamster's really good.
Hamster.
I did not cook at this one.
Switch. Inanimate object you would fall in love with.
Nipple.
Makes sense.
Mallow's nipple.
Now the final.
Dude, that would
My
be good for this one.
My sad, pitiful dick.
But pulling your hamster.
This one's looking over already.
Oh, hamster has to win.
Hamster.
That's gonna do it.
Good job, Gasper.
Should we do this one again or pick a different one?
Let's do this one more time.
Alright.
It's whatever you choose. Oh, I had this in the bag, dude.
He said
He just barely beat me. My sad, pitiful dick, dude. He just barely beat me.
Pussy. Fucking pussy. Hamster. Mallow's fat fucking pussy. If you notice, but I've had Beast War music playing in the background.
Do you have fucking beast? Oh.
Bop.
I need it. I need it desperately.
Pick that damn cotton candy, you dirty snigger!